New York homeowners, listen up. Build an ADU in your backyard, save 70% on labor, get smooth approval, and lower insurance costs. American labor is too expensive. We build your home in China and ship directly to New York. Hello everyone, I'm Ami. ADUs in New York are taking off, and I get so many questions. What's the real difference between prefab and on-site built ADUs? Is approval difficult? Today, I'll break down our China prefabricated steel structure ADUs based on New York local policies to help you save money, save hassle, and get approved fast. Common ADU types in New York. There are 3 main types of ADUs in New York, all compatible with our prefab system: conversion ADU, garage, basement, or attic conversion. The most popular in New York detached ADU. A separate unit built in the backyard, fully independent from the main house. Attached ADU, connected to the main house as a new independent living space. All ADUs can include a private kitchen, bathroom, separate entrance, utility meters, and official address, fully legal and code compliant. Basic requirements for building an ADU in New York property must have independent ownership, limited to 1-2 family homes. Maximum size, 800 square feet, single story only, height no more than 15 feet. Rear yard ADUs must be at least 5 feet from property lines. Lot coverage no more than 50%. Must comply with New York building codes, including fire safety, sprinklers, lighting, and the ventilation standard ADU approval process in New York. New York ADUs use the Adobe Now, build online platform with a clear process, feasibility check, review zoning, setbacks, flood risk to confirm eligibility, design and drawings, complete architectural, structural plumbing and electrical plans to meet New York codes. Online submission, file application, drawings and fees through Adobe Now. Adobe review, 3-6 months, permit issued upon approval, construction and inspections. Phase the inspections for foundation, structure, utilities and fire safety. Final CO, receive certificate of occupancy after full inspection, legal for living or renting. Our prefab ADU advantage, 70%. Built in China, 30% on-site assembly. Our model is simple and efficient. We finish 70% of production and assembly in the factory, including structure, utilities, insulation, and the interior. We ship finished modules to New York. Only 30% of on-site work is needed: foundation, module assembly, and the utility connection. The biggest benefit, save 70% on expensive American labor costs. We have a local sales team in New York for fast, efficient communication. We work with experienced long-term freight forwarders, shipping worldwide, with full support for U.S. customs clearance and delivery. Steel structure ADU, approval insurance benefits, smooth approval. Steel fully meets New York building codes. 100% approvable with no regulatory issues. Lower insurance. Steel is fire resistant, wind resistant, and pest proof. Insurance premiums are 25%, 75% lower than wood frame homes. Strong market demand. Steel ADU sales are booming in New York. Safe, durable, and low maintenance. Prefab ADU versus on-site construction prefab ADU. 70% built in Chinese factory, 30% on-site assembly, saves 70% labor, no noise or dust. On-site built, 100% on-site construction, high labor costs, long-term mess in the backyard. Friends in New York, are you looking to build an ADU for rental income or family space? A prefabricated steel ADU is your best choice for lower labor costs, faster approval, and cheaper insurance. Let me know in the comments which ADU fits your property. Follow me for more practical tips on prefabricated homes in New York.